The levies range from 5% to 25%, and over 5,000 items will be affected. The additional 25% tariffs cover the largest share of overall list and are imposed on honey, vegetables, meat, and liquefied natural gas. They will hit farming and mining states which supported President Donald Trump in the 2016 election. And this is the first time LNG is included in the list. Around 1,000 items are slapped with a 20% tariff, like chemicals, cookers, and paper. Wigs and textiles are among 1,000 other products that will face a 10% tariff. The lowest tier of 5% will affect almost 600 items, such as aircraft and computers. This plan will only be in effect if Trump really imposes a 25% tariff on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods, up from the 10% originally proposed last month.